Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for tuning into this video. My name is Kendra. If you're an OG, thank you so much for tuning into this video. You already know me. So today I'm going to jump right into it. We're going to be doing a pipe cleaner curl set, and I wanted to do this and show you guys, in depth, because I did get a lot of inquiries about it. I posted a video back in July when I went to see Beyonce. I actually did my first ever pipe cleaner curl set. You guys loved it over on Instagram, so I definitely wanted to carry it over here on YouTube as promised. So I'm trying to get these videos out like I promised you guys. And not only that, it is my 4-year Locaversary. Y'all, I am 4 years locked as of October the 8th of 2023. Wow. I'm going to save that for a whole nother video where I will give you guys an in-depth update on my hair and all that mumbo jumbo. But I don't want this video to be too long, and I really want to focus on the pipe cleaner set. So I'm going to be using these pipe cleaners that I actually got from good old Target in the craft section. I was looking for some black ones. They didn't have black ones, so I got the good old colorful ones. And they're okay. People say to get the black ones because they had the fuzzies. I did make it a point to kind of run my fingers through the pipe cleaners just to see if anything came out, and I don't really have anything. Well, there's a little bit of fuzziness on there, but I did this. This is a newer one. I haven't actually used this one yet, but on all the ones that I used, I did this to kind of get rid of the loose fuzzies so that whatever was loose wouldn't like stick into my locks. So I am taking a risk by using these, but I didn't have any issues when I first used these. So we're gonna be using these. I'm not sure how many I have, you guys. I just don't know. I have no idea. But what I did was I folded it in half and I twisted a loop at the top. All right. And I folded it in half to make it just a sturdier base to hold my locks. And then the loop, you can use the loop for multiple things, but I like to use the loop to actually hold as an anchor when I'm twisting my hair on the pipe cleaner. So this little loop actually helps to keep everything in place while you're rolling your lock on the pipe cleaner. So super easy. Literally, let me see if I can unfold this one and show you guys. Yeah, I didn't even, so it comes like this. And I literally just folded it in half like such, and I twisted the head, okay, to make the loop. And you get this. A lot of people twist these down. I don't find it necessary. It's still a strong base without the twist. So let's go ahead and get started, you guys. Actually, if you guys are wondering, I have my famous and original hair color spray in my hair. Nothing has changed, y'all. I'm still up to my old tricks since since I was a loose natural. And so the hair color spray is actually, it's by Be Natural. It is their Gentle Auburn. Y'all know, if you've been here, this has always been my color. And the hair color spray washes out with one shampoo. You spray it on your hair and that's it. I decided to do keep the roots black and just do the ends of my hair. That way, it'd be a cute little ombre type of thing. But I'm putting on these gloves because it transfers. I'm not even gonna lie to you, it transfers, and I just don't want it all over my hands right now. So that's why I am wearing the gloves. It's gonna transfer all over these pipe cleaners, but oh well, such is life. So products that I'm using for this pipe cleaner set, I'm actually just using water. I did not want to put any product over the color. This is a spray-on product, so I'm just gonna use water for this set. No mousse, no nothing, just water. So I have my extra large water bottle here ready to go. And let's just jump right into it. So I'm actually going to start over here to just kind of show you guys. All right, so I'm actually gonna start over on this side, and as you can see, transfer, okay? And I'm using about 5 locks, but this is like my edges, so the locks are thinner, okay? So I probably won't use 5 locks all the way around. We will see. So I'm gonna go ahead and take one of my pipe cleaner curls, but first I want to saturate my hair, right? So I'm gonna saturate it with some water. And I'm not gonna rub it in because I don't want that color to rub out. I'm just gonna pat it in, right? Just pat. And all right, so let's apply our pipe cleaner. So like I said, I like to hold it like this, all right? Some people like to feed their hair through the loop, which helps to keep, you know, it helps to get started. But I literally just take my locks and I wrap it around the end of the loop like such. And then I start wrapping my hair over the ends. You see that end right there? It's gonna keep the ends tucked. So I'm gonna wrap my hair up. Now, people have different ways of wrapping their hair up. Some people can do this, but I like to just wrap it just to give it that spiral. So I'm gonna wrap it up and I'm gonna keep my hair close so there will be no gapping, all right? Because at the end of the day, my hair has grown, and in some of the areas, I could run out of the pipe cleaner because they're kind of short. So, and once I get to, I take it all the way to the roots of my hair. And once I get to the roots of my hair, this is my anchor. It's gonna keep my hair from unraveling. So I literally just fold it over. And that's it. So super easy. Let me show you guys again. All right, so this again is the edges of my hair. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 locks again. I'm going to saturate with water. And I'm going to just push that water into the lock. I'm not going to rub it or rub my fingers down the lock. I'm going to take my pipe cleaner. Good idea is to go ahead and set up your pipe cleaner. So take them all out of the bag, fold them all in half, create the loop on all of them. But let me show you what people do with the loop. So some people kind of just feed. So I just wrap my hair in a ball to where it's all together, and I'm gonna feed it through the loop of the pipe cleaner. So some people like to do it this way, just like this, but I find that when you're taking it out, it's just another step that you have to worry about. And then they go as far as wrap the ends of their hair around the end of that loop, and then they start wrapping up. So you can do it that way, but I truly prefer it this way because it's easier for me to take down. I don't want to have to fool with pulling my hair out of the loop, if that makes sense. So again, there's the loop. I'm going to wrap my hair right at the base of the loop where the twist is. I'm going to wrap my ends around that, and then I'm going to start wrapping my hair over the ends and then down the pipe cleaner like so. All right. And I have a little baby right here, so I'm going to wrap the baby around. And I know to keep an eye when taking this one out because it can get a little tangled. Once I get to the roots, I just take the ends and fold it over. And it stays. Simple, you guys. So I'm going to continue working. I'll pop in and out if I have something to tell you guys. But I think that's it for the most part, okay? So keep on watching. You guys, so I just have this many of the pipe cleaners left, so I don't know if you want to guess. Not sure how many I have in my head. I did notice that I did roll some of the ones back here kind of big. Whoops, but I'm not gonna undo them and redo it. It took me 1 hour and 13 minutes to put all of these pipe cleaners in, so I'm now going to put on my bonnet. Actually, I may zap it with the hair dryer just to get the surface dry. and then put on my bonnet and go to bed. So I'm gonna let these dry overnight and take them down in the morning. So stay tuned. I will see you guys in the morning. All right, you guys, so it is the following day. Literally, it is 24 hours later, okay? I'm sure my hair is fully dry. Like I told you last night, I actually did zap my hair. I sat under the hooded dryer for like 15 minutes and then took it off, put my bonnet on, went to bed, all right? So wake up this morning, I kind of folded them a little bit. They were just hanging. I needed to get my bonnet on, so I just kind of folded them up so that I can get my bonnet on. But it was uncomfortable to sleep in, okay? I think because I did do it close to the scalp. So let's go ahead and take out the pipe cleaners. So let me zoom in a little bit to show you guys so you can get a up close look at how I'm taking these out. And I'm gonna start with this one right here. All right, so I have one here. Remember that we folded the end of the pipe cleaner. I'm just gonna undo that, and literally people pull it out. I cannot do that. Or they pull it out from the bottom. I cannot do that. And I feel like that's how you get the fuzzies. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to unravel the way that I unraveled up. And once I get far enough down, I'm going to start this motion to unravel it. Just to keep the spiral, as you can see. And once I get to the ends, everything's just going to come out so nicely, like such. Look at that curl. It's so pretty. All right, so let's try another one. Let me show you another one. So I'm going to unfold the little top of the pipe cleaner, and I'm literally just gonna unroll it down, unroll until I get, oh, let's see, there we go. That's my little baby. Until I get enough length to where I can do this number. All the way towards the end. And it should just come off so easily, all right? All right, you guys, now that I have taken out all of my pipe cleaners, now I'm gonna separate. I'm not sure if I wanna do minimum separation or maximum separation. It depends on, I am looking for fullness, so I'm thinking maximum separation, but we will see. First, before I unravel them, I'm gonna be using my Nourishing Coconut Oil Weightless Hydrating Mist Oil. If you've been here for a while, you've seen this. It adds a bit of shine, and the color does have my hair feeling a little bit dry. So I want to add some of this to it to see if it'll break up the cast a little bit. I did spray a little bit more of the color on the ends just so that the color would show up a little bit more. But I'm gonna go ahead and do this. All right. And now we're gonna go ahead and unravel. So to unravel this, I kind of unravel the roots a little bit, and then I just feel for 2 or 3 locks and I separate, and then I retwist to keep that shape. Same here, 2 or 3, separate, and then retwist to keep that shape. I want to keep them kind of clumped until like the very end, and then that's when I fully separate. Like when I'm kind of sort of towards the end of this look, I fully separate to get more fullness. But for right now, I think I want to keep it like this, but we'll see how the end result looks. I may even want to separate them more. So this is what we have so far. This is the one with the lock sprinkles. So let's see how these turn out. Still nice and curly. Oh my God, I love it. I love it. So cute. So I'm just going to continue to separate, and then I will come back with the final look. All right, you guys, so this is my final look. I am so happy with how the style came out, how the color looks with this style. It looks amazing. Let me know what you guys think down below, okay? If you guys are interested in the hair color, I will try to find a link, all right? But I believe that the hair color may be sold out. It's by Be Natural. It's in the color Gentle Auburn again. Again, I just use water, and I'll try to find a link to the pipe cleaners as well so that you guys can have that. But for the most part, I absolutely love my hair. It actually feels pretty soft, considering that hair color spray does feel a little dry, but I think the oil broke up some of that cast from the spray. from the hair color spray, and it turned out really soft and really beautiful. So I can't wait to see how, you know, as the month goes on, how this hair is going to last, because like I told you the last time I did it, literally this is a 1 month style, okay? Because the curls are so tight, when they start falling, it just gets so much more beautiful, so much more beautiful. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, comment below and let me know. But let me go ahead and give you a 360 real quick so you can see what the hair is looking like. Ooh, it's the color. It's looking so good. Ooh. Oh my goodness, I'm obsessed, you guys. Let me know what you think about the style down below in the comment section, and I will talk to you guys down below in the comment section. Bye.